pan, Cooking Lite today, chicken Parmesan. This is when we add the olive oil. Brush the olive oil. And of course we have to do both sides. Okay, now we're going to add kosher salt. So we're just going to add a little bit of kosher salt to each one. Ground fresh pepper. Now we're going to use Italian herbs from Italy. That's how my journey started. This was spices. Okay, so now this is ready for the barbecue. Sticks that have been soaked in water, so when you put them on the barbecue, they don't burn up with the rest of the food. So what we're going to do, is thread them. Okay, so we just keep threading them. They come all colors. That's what makes this dish so interesting. And we're going to thread 3 or 4, maybe 5. Colorful, appetizing, and tastes so good. Okay. The last thing we're going to do, of course, is add a little olive oil. Brush them on both sides. And we're going to put them on the barbecue until they blister. So here we go, out to the barbecue. Okay, Anna's out by the barbecue. We've got our chicken. That's going to be about 5 or 6 minutes on each side. And we've got our tomatoes that we're going to barbecue until they blister. So open the barbecue. And we're going to add the tomato kebabs. One thing you do need is a thermometer. The chicken is cooked at 165. Okay, now we're going to make the sauce, and that consists of olive oil, red wine vinegar, of course garlic, pepper, salt, and my homegrown basil. Next step is we're going to wash it up. So now we're going to cut up the basil. And this is the sauce that the grilled tomatoes are going to go into. And give it a stir. Okay, let's go back out to the barbecue. Okay, now with our thermometer, we're going to see if the chicken has hit 165. Tomatoes typically are healthy. Chicken breast is a light form of chicken. These little tomatoes are blistering and they're coming off a stick, so not too much more on them. So you can grate the Parmesan Reggiano, or what I like is thick pieces of cheese. Okay, the tomatoes have been blistered, they've been cooked, so they just fall off the kebab and go into that sauce. Everything is very colorful. And so to plate it up, take this of the chicken. The cheese goes on at the end, and there we go. Bon appetit! And it's the cheese that makes it. Some rice to this. I love rice. You could add vegetables. And there's something to eat. One taste on the lips, but it doesn't go on your hips. And it's the cheese that makes it. And it's the cheese that makes it.